The World Stream tab is where you can manage your WorldStream server, set usage limits, and book pre-allocations. This section tells you what WorldStream server type you are currently using and how much world credits it consumes. Clicking here opens a window that shows you what server options you have and their descriptions. This section lets you set up usage limits on your WorldStream feature. There are different types of limits you can set. Click Edit on the type of limit you want to set, and type in the number of minutes, then click Save. Click this button to book a pre-allocation. In the window that appears, select the server type you would like to book. Then, select whether you want it to be a single-time booking or recurring booking. Then, select your required date and time. Then, enter how many users you expect. In this section, you will be shown information about how much world credits will be used. Click the Request Pre-allocation button to submit your request. In this section, you will see a list of your pre-allocation requests with their details and status. This button allows you to filter your list to show only current ones or completed ones. You can also click here to cancel your pre-allocation request. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.